Okay, so this is called Book Street. We're in District 1. We're gonna meander down it just to give you a little bit of an idea of where we are. This is the street written in Vietnamese. You go right up to it. And that's the cross street. There's a Lotte department store over there. And then there's a church that they're remodeling right here. And I'm just kind of giving you a little bit of preview before we start our video and go down our Target Street. So kind of interesting. So let me tell you more about it. Let's show you what's here. Saigon, Book Street. So you saw the preview. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this up on the map so you can see exactly where it is. And I'm also going to just let you know that there's a song coming up, and the song, I'm going to put the lyrics behind me, and the song reflects the different incarnations of the different names that this book street used to have, including the current one. But it also had like Hong Kong Street, be it back in the French time period, and different stuff like that. So all those things will be in the song, but predominantly we're going to be giving you a preview of the street before I do my walk and talk with it. So we're going to do it with music to that song about the street, and then the walk and talk as I walk and explore it. So let's do that right now. Let's see the music first, then walk and talk. Saigon.
So fine, once called Hong Kong in the colonial time. Cardi's it became in the days gone by, when Ho it was named under a different sky. We're from Minh, from the Book Street, Saigon, Vietnam. We're from Minh, from the Book Street, Saigon, Vietnam. A place for book lovers under the trees, with cafes and bookstores lining the way, a peaceful retreat in the city's frame. We're from Bình, from the Book Street, Saigon, Vietnam. Saigon, Vietnam. We're from Bình, from the Book Street, Saigon, Vietnam. The city's light. We're from Minh, from the Book Street, Saigon, Vietnam. Saigon, Vietnam. We're from Minh, from the Book Street, Saigon, Vietnam. Saigon, Vietnam. The city's light. Ooh, in the Main, Book Street. Ooh, Saigon, Vietnam. We're from the Book Street, Saigon, Vietnam, Vietnam. We're from the Book Street, Saigon, Vietnam, Saigon, Vietnam.
Okay, so Ho Chi Minh City Book Street. So it has two names. Here's this thing called Thinking. So let's go check it out. So before we go down our street, let's just kind of see what's on the sides a little bit here. Got kind of souvenirs and a coffee shop as well, Highland right there. So right at the edge there's already a coffee shop, Highland. Get some food here too.
Hello.
Hello. Let's go on down. Ah, there's a publishing house right on the corner here as well. General Publishing House. Let me just kind of see what this is all about. So you got English books, okay. Huh. Then you got some manga. Oh, a little bit different. So pretty cool. So I guess this is a Vietnamese publishing house. There's the coffee shop to the right. Let's see what else we got here. So it looks like they have a lot for children, for Vietnamese and English. Just kind of check out this one real quick. So this one looks like it's mostly souvenirs and some pretty cool so there's some old, that's kind of cool. Beautiful artwork. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down and we'll show you more. You see there's a train right there, bus. Actually looks like these several different publishing companies as well. So this street might actually have the focus on publishing. Got a nice fan. Oh, that's kind of cool. I want to capture that right there. They're doing photography. Let me see. Some books here. It's a few in English. Lifestyle and food. Food. The Chinatown part of Saigon. Okay. There's a cafe there. That's what these are.
Đó vui tươi lên, mặt ứng ánh sáng kìa, mặt hữu nắng. Quay là tình cờ đi, tình cờ đi.
Đúng rồi, tương tác với nhau nha.
Luôn. Thấy có đó, người với mình. Vậy rồi Chí Bình mới tới. Rồi đứng đây để Chí Bình đi, Chí Bình hài lòng đâu. Rồi, cái diễn mình mình cùng đi nha, để cô sẽ quay tập thể cho mình. Để nhau nữa nha.
Hai ba chị Chiến.
That's really cool. That's cool. It's like they're doing a nice introduction to. Let's see. I got Harry Potter in Vietnamese. Let's keep on going down. I got an artist here. Oh, that's cool. Let's kind of keep on looking around a little bit. Lighthouse right there. Pretty fierce. So kind of cool. So it looks like they have this really fits for the Vietnamese market, and I've kind of quite familiar actually that Vietnam has some pretty good literature and quite interested in literature as well. And all of this is for the domestic market. Don't think I'm sure there's English books in here somewhere as well, but their demographic focus. Cool. So we're almost at the end here. Zen Books. Huh. Zen Books is I'm familiar with that publisher. Okay, we're gonna keep on going down. We got more down that way. So you can also get some coffee over here. More coffee over there. More books over here. So let me baguettes right there. So let's take a look here. So over here we got M Plaza, Starbucks, and then more of our kind of like our city, our District 1 kind of urban kinds of stuff. But anyways, this is kind of cool. I'm going to conclude shortly. I'm kind of looking for English books to see what they got, so I might have to go inside some of them and take a look. Looks like they got some here. And some here. This is pretty interesting. Okay, so this is Book Street in Saigon. And I'm just going to walk down it a little bit back down the opposite way. And what I'm going to try to do is try to find some that's kind of cool, that coffee shop right there. It's called the Book Cafe. Okay, so this is Book Street.